This is a pretty cool looking unboxing experience so far. It is a new take on earbuds, which claims to improve on a concept where you have an earbud that doesn't even need to sit directly inside of your ear canal every day, every moment, every minute type of wear. They're calling it Wearable Stereo, and the company is called Oladance. It's kind of like having a left-right channel speaker that just so happened to be sitting over top of your ears. Enter. Welcome to the Oladance Voice Cube. Whoa! Whoa! This appears to be our Oladance Wearable Stereo case. Glowing LED in the center. Oh, wow. A visual representation. Well, I mean, we have an actual exploded view, the variety of components that are inside of the Oladance Wearable Stereo. Silicone plus titanium, wire and plastic, pogo pin, nozzle mesh, silicon mic A, touch sensor, Bluetooth main board, dynamic speaker, 16.5 millimeter, high density 160 milliamp hour battery, technology breakdown. And another case. Okay, so two cases. That's an interesting idea. One case for greater portability, and then another case for enhanced battery performance. You have some housing for placement for each of your left-right channel. And then we have the more slender portable case, the Oladance Wearable Stereo earbuds currently installed. You can see this chrome-like finish. Big Tech offers isolation. We offer connection openly. Open connection. Health-friendly tech. Interesting. Ordinary design, extraordinary. Extra, read all about it. 3 times longer battery life. Never actually enters the ear. No pinching of the auricle. No blockage of the ear canal. That's a sketch of an ear right there. All types of environments where you need to be aware of your surroundings, and all types of environments where this can actually create a more comfortable fit. It depends obviously on the individual as well. So we had a really fancy unboxing experience there, the retail unboxing experience. A little bit different still, nice and fancy. A more subdued white color, this reddish orange, Martian orange, so hence the Mars. The white one was called Cloud White. The chrome-like silver, which is called Space Silver, Interstellar Blue. Interesting. Now, since I am on the website, it looks to me that the pricing around $150. That's a $30 savings at the moment. Up to 16 hours per charge, 16.5 millimeter dynamic driver, 0 hearing damage. That's interesting. I guess for whatever reason they think that this is safer even for your eardrums, probably because people boost their audio a little bit loud. I know I'm guilty of such things. So it does have a bluish hue to it. That's what it looks like, a little bit more simplified. So this is $49.99, and this is a 2550 milliamp hour battery capacity, 5 times capable of recharging your earbuds. If you're getting 16 and a half hours times 5, well, listen, you could go on vacation and just bring this. Here we have some words from some publications such as O1Net. These amazing true wireless earbuds stand out from in-ear models with their totally open design. What did Digital Trends say? High quality sound from outside your ear. And Tech Radar says the open ear design is healthier, safer, and the bass is more than acceptable. That's it. That's the whole song. It's all about the bass, no trouble. Say goodbye to ear fatigue, and it's made for movers and shakers. And they're showing an image here of a bicycle delivery person. Yes, man. In dense public environments, it's terrifying. Certain activities. Even the other day, I was playing hockey with noise-canceling earbuds, and I was a little bit disoriented from the fact that I'm doing this physical activity. I'm used to hearing a little bit of detail from my surroundings, and that's where this type of stuff comes in for, where you still want to be a bit connected. L and R for left and right. There's an LED indicator on there as well. I'm going to just do that. Wow. That's it? That's all there is to it? Wow. I don't even really feel like I'm wearing earbuds at the moment. I'm cut off from external sound 0. Here's an interesting comparison on that battery life. 16 hours per charge on these units compared to 4.5 hours on AirPods Pro. They actually claim some advantages over bone conduction, so I presume this is different tech. They say there's a sound quality improvement over bone conduction, comfort improvement over bone conduction. Well, bone conduction piece that goes around the back side of your head. Yeah, Oladance app, and I'm gonna select, I guess, my device. It shows you the battery life on the left and right. Touch controls are configurable. Single tap, double tap, triple tap. You trigger things like play pause, skipping tracks, voice assistant, and we can also slide forward to increase volume and backwards to reduce. Where am I gonna slide? I'm sliding on here. A manual equalizer, so you can tune the settings for your own taste. Let's find out. Wow. Okay. Well, I'll just tell you right away, this is nothing like bone conduction. It is way more like having a pair of headphones on. And by that, I mean volume, clarity, bass. It's not exactly like a pair of earbuds, obviously, because those are plugging up your ear canal. And in most cases, they're, creating a kind of a more tighter, like a more closed environment. It's way beyond what bone conduction was doing. And there'd have to be some tweaking and tuning to make sure like you're hitting the right volume level, the right reproduction. Do me a favor, Mo. I'm gonna play music and try to talk to me at the same time. He's saying that they look smaller on my head? Yeah, well, because a lot of the electronics are sort of wedged in down here. They're much louder than I expected. I'll tell you that right now. If I have it max volume, you're being washed out just by nature of the fact that if I'm listening to a song. But like I could definitely hear, like a siren or a honk. I would hear a honk. I can still hear my content really clearly. Watching videos, listening to audiobooks, podcasts. There's a usefulness here where like sometimes you need to be still aware of your surroundings, and you have like that weird phenomenon of feeling like somebody just came in the door or something. Do you know what I'm talking about? Where you're like, wait a second, because you were so closed off. With this type of setup, it's not gonna happen. And then there's the comfort aspect, which I think some people are gonna be more sensitive to that than others. I think some people could probably wear earbuds for a long period of time and really not have an issue with it. But I think this is gonna depend on the individual. Now, because they're also IPX4, fitness is another good one. So maybe I should just jump around a little bit. Yeah, jogging, cycling, no problem. So what are your pros, cons? Well, we know the in-ear scenario, they're just really portable. They fit into a small case. These kind of achieve something relatively similar. Battery life, we talk about like 4 hours compared to, in this case, up to 16, and then it gets even crazier with the extra recharge case. Then we have this, which is kind of an in-between. We have bone conduction. Of course, we have over-ear headphones, which are great and sound amazing, but they're obviously a lot larger. Those tend to be quite isolating as well. Plus you have things like heat, sweat. I don't know, for fitness, they might be less than ideal. It's kind of interesting the way they're promoting this. They're not trying to say that they have another pair of wireless earbuds. They're trying to say, hey, try something completely different. Try a wearable stereo. And I think for some people in specific circumstances where it's extremely important that they remain connected to the environment, this is going to be a cool solution. Oh, by the way, special promo code. I don't know exactly what the discount is, but check the description of this video for all those details. There's probably going to be a link as well if you want to pick up a pair. Give them a shot. 4 fine colors. Let me know what you think would be the ideal environment for a wearable stereo.